Ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming rig? Let's dive into how to open Nvidia Geforce Experience. It's a game changer for updating drivers, optimizing games, and capturing epic moments. The first method is the most common. Using the search bar, click the Windows Start button, which is that iconic window emblem, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click in the search bar that pops up that handy little text field. Now, type Geforce Experience. As you type, you should see the app appearing in the search results. It's really good at anticipating what you're looking for. Once you see the Nvidia Geforce Experience app appear, click on its icon. Alternatively, if there are any variations of the application, make sure you click the one with the official Nvidia logo associated with it. It's usually a hexagon or a shield with Nvidia written across it. And boom, the Geforce Experience application should launch now in its home screen, ready to explore features like driver updates, game optimization, and shadowplay for recording your gameplay. Another option is to find the Nvidia icon in your system tray, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Near the clock, it might be a stylized Nvidia logo. If you see it, try clicking on it. From there, you might find a shortcut that will quickly launch the Geforce Experience. If you cannot find it there, that is okay. And there you have it. You've successfully opened Geforce Experience. From here, you can begin to manage your game settings and optimize your graphics settings, allowing you to keep up with the latest graphics drivers. Explore the interface for even more features. And happy gaming! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.